Horses and power to the ground is what you get with this John Deere 9530T. 475 horses driving through 36-inch tracks. One local owner with a reputation for regular servicing and preventative maintenance schedules. 4,952 genuine hours. HID lights, Cat 5 drawbar. You won't find a better example around. We have a wide range of used machines available with 11 service locations throughout southern New South Wales. We can organise interstate travel and delivery plus competitive finance. Call us now for more information.